Today let us see how to use the date value function. The date value function is used when a given date is stored in a text format. Let us see here, date value. It is in the text format. This date is in text format. Select it. Close the brackets. Give enter. It will convert this date which is stored in text format into a serial number. See, this is converted into a serial number. Now you can convert this into a date. You can convert this serial number into a date format. Go select format cells, go to date. Select the format which you want. The thing select here from OK, give OK. See, you will get 2/9/2016. So here you can change any format the way you want. Go format cell, date. Let us select the format as it is in the below in the data. So like select this one, we OK. See, both the dates are the same. So this date value is used to convert the date which is stored in text format into a serial number.